Hello guys, today I want tutorial this shake, want this. Okay, create adjustment layer and 20 frames for shake and effects presets, blur more curves and motion tile. And the direction blur, brightness contrast. Okay, so warp X reflect and mirror edges, output with 200 and the direction 19th. Okay, K for brightness and the blur lens and the shift X. Okay, and the adjustment 3 frame, shift X 210 and the blur lens 350, brightness contrast 120 and the 6 frame, shift X minus 17 and the 13, blur lens 0 and the 15, shift X 0 and the 19th, brightness 0. Okay, select for K brightness F9 and blur more curves F9. Okay, this shake easy, very good. Copy my settings, open. Okay, oh nice. Thank you for watch my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for 3 subscribe my account. Goodbye, I love you.